I firmly believe that the most important job of any artist is to draw a line from your life to your art that is straight and clear. It's probably the reason why I went from winning my first art show at the age of 5 to painting for the likes of these guys from The Sopranos, Goodfellas, Casino, A Bronx Tale, The Godfather, The Real Life Godfather. On and on it goes. I painted for them all.
Go viral.
Your next star has painted by commission some of the most famous people of our time.